Hey guys, and for today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a paid Discord server. So first, what you want to do is, open up your browser and search for launchpass.com. What you need to do is just click on connect Discord, just like so, and it will prompt you to connect the LaunchPass. So select the server that you want to connect it to. I'm going to click this server, so authorize, just like so, for the CAPTCHA. And wait for it to load. So basically, it will automatically fill up the information here. So you could change the owner name or something, up to you. But for this, now we're gonna select a community. So you're gonna pick on everything here. So let's say I'm gonna pick on gaming. You could go pick on other and put on the community name that you like. So, but for me, I'll just go with gaming. And here you're gonna pick the audience size, so it's up to you what you want. So let's say just want to 100 to 1,000, and just need to click on the box here and just click on this button. Wait for it to load, just like so. Once you're here, just need to click on these two options here, like what type of sign up page you want to create, a free or paid access. So let's go with paid access here. So once you're here, so now basically you just need to fill out all these options and then select the roles to assign for when they click on the link. So just pick on any role you want. So let's say member. This is the same offer name. It's up to you if you want to change that. And here the price is what you'll put. So let's say you want to charge them for like $9 or $10 monthly, annual. It's up to you. And yearly option. You could put a yearly option if they don't want the monthly option. So let's say this. Let's say this price is at $79, just like so. And you could also give a free trial period. So let's say 3 days or a week. You could also add a YouTube or Vimeo video. So paste the URL here. You could also put a description. Let's say gaming community. This is a premium picture, so you need to like pay for something. And once you're done with that, just click on next. So you could put on any business name. So just like so. And here's a preview of your page. So they put the email, card number, stuff. And you could also change the color right here. So you could also change the button color, like the text color if you want. Here's the description, the name, and the server. So once you're all done with that, just need to click on publish. Just wait for it to load. Then boom, you are now good. So once you click this, you could copy it, but like click on this to basically direct them to this one. That's it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.